Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to share some super helpful tips about matching fabrics and picking color combos for your sewing projects. If you're just starting out and feeling overwhelmed by fabric choices, buttons, or matching colors, don't worry. I'll walk you through the basics, step by step, and help you create clothes that look stylish and professional. Let's start with the types of fabric. The most common ones you'll see are cotton, linen, polyester, and blends like cotton polyester. Cotton is soft, breathable, and very beginner-friendly. Linen has a natural textured feel, great for summer outfits. Polyester is smooth, shiny, and barely wrinkles. Blends give you the best of both worlds. When picking fabric, think about how it feels and moves, and the kind of item you're making. Cotton is perfect for baby clothes. Polyester is great for flowy dresses. Next, let's talk about buttons and thread. To keep your project looking neat, pick buttons that are close in color to your fabric. For contrast, try black buttons on red or gold on navy. The same goes for thread. Match it to your fabric if you want it to blend in. Or choose a bold color if you want the stitching to stand out. When mixing printed and plain fabrics, pick one color from the print for your plain fabric. So, if your print has green, yellow, and white, use yellow as your solid color. This keeps things looking balanced, not too busy. For color combos, start with a neutral like beige, gray, or navy, then add an accent, mustard yellow, coral, teal, or lavender. Use a color wheel if you want more ideas. Try blue with orange or pink with purple for harmony. I hope these tips help you feel confident matching fabrics and colors for your next sewing project. You don't need to be an expert. Just start simple and practice. Thanks for watching, and if you want more easy sewing guides, subscribe. See you next time.